This week, we are going to stock up on laundry cleaning supplies and replenish our stockpiles, and we're not going to pay anything close to full price. I've put together these 10 laundry cleaning supply deals that you can do this Saturday, March 18th at Dollar General. If you enjoy the deals, please do me a huge favor. My YouTube channel is actually my full-time job. My channel actually pays for my bills. So one of the easiest ways that you can support my work is hit the like button, leave a comment down below, absolutely subscribe. I would love to have you here as a part of my Love Live Save couponing family, and share the video with all your friends, because like I always tell people, we are not paying full price in 2023, and we are going to build amazing stockpiles in the process. So let's get started with the deals. For our first laundry deal, grab 2 Febreze Air Effects, 1 tub of Tide Pods. I was super excited to see that we got this coupon back this week. And then grab 1 bottle of Gain Fabric Softener. So let's add everything up. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes at $26.95. We have $12.80 worth of digital coupons here, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon. If you're new to this, you absolutely got to clip that coupon. That's super, super important for Saturday deals. That brings our total out of pocket down to just $14.15 plus tax, or a 47% off savings. Recently, I've been getting a lot of requests to do laundry cleaning supply deals, and it seems like we're all running really low in our stockpile. I know I am. So if you are kind of new to this is one of my favorite, very beginner-friendly couponing deals. Grab one of the 60 count tubs of Gain Flings, and yes, it has to be the 60 count. The coupon won't come off for the 51 count size for some silly reason. And then grab 2 Gain Power Blast sprays. Now, this is one of my favorite laundry cleaning hacks. This Gain Power Blast spray works really well as a stain treater. I always spray it on my son's clothes, especially when he was younger. Oh, how this saved my life when he was younger. So it is a really great product to stock up on for sure. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes at $25.45. We have $11.99 worth of coupons in this deal. That brings our total after coupons down to just $13.46 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of 47% off. So it's basically like we're paying for the Gain Flings and we're getting the Gain Power Blast sprays completely for free, which is a great deal. For our third laundry deal, grab 1 bottle of Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. This is an amazing product. I can't recommend this enough. This is a go-to staple in my household when anyone has cooties. Grab 1 of the larger size bags of Gain Flings, 1 bag of Tide Pods, and then 1 of the Chic Intuition razors. For this deal, we have a total retail value of $28.50. We have $14 worth of digital coupons, so that brings our total after coupons down to just $14.50 plus tax, or a 49% off savings. One thing I would absolutely adore if you could do me a favor, leave a comment down below and let me know which was your favorite deal in today's video. Hands down, this is mine. I absolutely love this True Living brand Oxy Cleaner. If you never tried it, I absolutely suggest you try it. It's a really great substitute for name brand OxyClean, and you pay a fraction of the price. So for this deal, grab 2 tubs of the True Living brand Oxy Cleaner. We don't have a coupon for it, but like I always tell you, that's totally okay. Grab 1 bottle of Febreze Unstoppable Spray, 2 Dawn Power Wash refills, and 1 box of Crest toothpaste. Before coupons, our total retail value comes at $27.35. We have $13.99 worth of digital coupons for this deal. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $13.36 plus tax, or a 51% off savings. Not bad when you consider 2 of the items in this deal didn't even have coupons. For our 5th laundry cleaning supplies deal, you're going to want to grab 1 of the medium-sized bags of Gain Flings, 2 Swiffer Wet Jet refills. I was super excited when I saw that we got this coupon on Sunday. And 1 Airwick Vibrant refill pack. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes at $28, which is a little high, but that's okay. We got coupons. We have $16 worth of digital coupons here. That brings our total out of pocket all the way down to just $12 plus tax, or a 57% off savings. This is a really great deal to stock up on. For our next laundry deal, grab 1 of the big size bottles of Downy Fabric Softener, the ones that are $12.95. Then grab one of the Downy Infusion's Calm Scent Boosters. Two Febreze Small Spaces. I absolutely love, by the way, putting these in the back seat of my car in the cup holders I never use. It makes my car smell amazing. And then one box of Crest toothpaste. Our total retail value comes at $27.80 when we add everything up. We have $14.80 worth of digital coupons here. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $13 even plus tax, or a 53% off savings. This is a really great opportunity to restock your stockpile with some of the bigger size bottles that will last you a little bit longer. For our seventh laundry deal, we're going to stock up on some Shout Stain Remover. Grab 2 bottles of them. We don't have a coupon for them, but that's okay. Then grab 1 bottle of Nivea lotion. Now, I was kind of bummed that they raised the price of this compared to the last couple weeks. The last couple weeks, it was $4.75, and this week it is unfortunately $5.25. But this is still my go-to brand of lotion. If you ever have problems with dry and cracked hands, I highly recommend trying this product out. It is a lifesaver. Grab one of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits and 1 box of Crest toothpaste. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes at $28.10. We have $15 worth of digital coupons here, so that brings our total out of pocket down to just $13.10 plus tax, or a 53% off savings. Not bad when we consider we didn't even have a coupon for the Shout Stain Remover. This is a really great deal. For our next laundry deal, it's a super easy one, super beginner friendly. Grab 2 Gain Power Blast sprays, 1 big bottle of Gain Fabric Softener, and 1 Febreze Unstoppable spray. Before coupons, we have a total retail value of $27.45. And then we have $14.99 worth of digital coupons, which brings our total out of pocket down to just $12.46 plus tax, or a 55% off savings. For our 9th laundry deal, we're going to stock up on some items that we almost never get coupons for, unfortunately. We're going to grab 1 box of Borax Detergent Booster. This is an awesome product, by the way. We don't have a coupon for it, unfortunately. Then grab 1 gallon of the Clover Valley brand white vinegar. Again, we don't have a coupon for it. This is by far one of my biggest priorities for my own stockpiles. I want to start stocking up on white vinegar because I recently started to use it to substitute for fabric softener. It works great, by the way. Grab 1 bag of Finish Quantum Dishwasher tablets and then clip this $2 off coupon. And then grab a second bag of those Finish Quantum Dishwasher tablets and then clip the other $2 off Finish coupon. They both have different expiration dates, so as long as you get 2 bags, you should have no problem using both the coupons in one transaction. Then grab 1 Febreze Air Effects and 1 bottle of Nivea lotion. When we add everything up before coupons, we get a total retail value of $27.90, and then we have $13 worth of digital coupons, so that brings our total out of pocket down to just $14.90 plus tax, or a 47% off savings. And like I said in the other deals, not bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the borax or the white vinegar. For our 10th laundry deal, grab one of the medium-sized bags of Gain Flings, then 1 of the big size bottles of Downy Fabric Softener, and 2 Gain Power Blast sprays. Our total retail value comes to $29.95, and then we have $13.99 worth of coupons, so that brings our total out of pocket down to just $15.96 plus tax, or a 47% off savings. I just want to give a quick shout out to all of my amazing Patreon subscribers. Thank you so much for your ongoing support. If you're interested in joining and gaining access to things like my complete couponing deals list, of which this week has 120 couponing deals on it, I have all the information you need down below in the video description to get started. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoy couponing and you want to save as much money as you can this year, please consider subscribing here to my channel. Join our Level of Save couponing family. We'd love to have you. And while you're at it, make sure you click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post any of my future couponing deal videos, or I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats, you'll be one of the first people to receive a notification and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.